What's up guys, Thaddy is here. In today's video, we're gonna be going over Max and basically how he's done transitioning from drop shipping to branding with jewelry, right? So we have Max here. I think it's his first time on the channel.
I think so,
yeah. And so I'm gonna have him kind of run through a quick little story. We literally just got done filming some stuff. So me and my team, we basically just started doing some custom content for him. We were just at Soulja Boy's house doing some stuff. Yeah, so I'll give Max a little quick rundown time where he can kind of explain his story, how we met, and then kind of what he's doing now.
Okay, so my name is Max, and for the last 3 years I've been doing drop shipping with random stores, Shopify stores, and lately I decided I'm gonna have to give these away. Lately I've been building brands instead of focusing on drop shipping stores for a few reasons, and we just finished a photo shoot with a bunch of stuff that we had. And we're gonna kind of explain why I went into branding and not strictly drop shipping, and why it's more beneficial for me and kind of for you guys too if you're just starting out in e-com.
So basically what we literally just did was we just had a few stylized photo shots, we did some studio shots, and we were at Soulja Boy's house, an influencer that fits our demographic of the people that Max is selling for his brand. So we're doing a lot of that in terms of custom content. And Max over here on the back end of his side of his business, right, is you had to, source suppliers, you had to work a lot on the back end to kind of make that custom branding, a possibility, right?
Yeah.
So how'd you go about sort of like getting suppliers and finding that out?
The store first started out as a drop shipping store. With drop shipping, there's a few issues that we really didn't like. For example, shipping, the packaging, and we basically got all the products and we have them in-house, and that's kind of for one reason, and that's we have control over how we want to show the product. Our second one was actually going out there and finding influencers and associating them with our brand, and that way when someone looks in our store or they don't know us or it's their first time seeing us, they're able to kind of create that connection because their favorite person or a person they know wears our stuff or promotes our stuff, and that kind of is like a giant trust badge in a sense.
I mean, it's literally why big companies are spending hundreds of thousands of dollars to these influencers just to promote their products. Even Fashion Nova, for instance,
exactly.
Right? Fashion Nova is a very, very big,
Nike,
fast
Adidas,
fashion brand. Yeah, and they're giving rappers and influencers, right, lots of money just to speak on their brand, wear their stuff, post pictures with their stuff, and that's what we're doing here. That's what we were just doing at Soulja Boy's house.
Yeah. Just to add on to that, it's kind of like you have to understand people will buy the product for the product, but not exactly. They will buy it more of what's behind the product, the lifestyle, what they want to show, what inspires them, kind of in a sense. And that's what we're in the process of doing, figuring that out.
The thing is, like, people buy off of emotion, and once you understand that, yeah, literally. So like a lot of drop shippers, right? You're capitalizing on impulse purchases, buyers. That's why there's so many like hurifies and scarcity stuff on Shopify. But when you're actually building a brand, right, once you understand that people buy off of emotion and then rationalize it with logic, then from there you can capitalize on that. That's why we're working with influencers. People want to they look up to certain influencers. They want to be like certain influencers. They think certain influencers are really cool. They aspire to be them. And so that's the power of associating with someone up there, or again, containing all of your touch points for your business. Custom packaging, custom inserts, custom content, all the content on your website, on your ad creatives, your marketing. It's all like you need an omnipresent sort of congruity between your brand to actually be solid with it. And that's with dropshipping, it's not something you can exactly get. You don't really have a lot of control over that. You literally just, again, you're the middleman, so supplier is responsible for all of that stuff. It ends up in the hands of your customers, and when they get it, if the packaging is just a little plastic wrap with a barcode on it that says a name, it's the unboxing experience, the post-purchase experience of that customer goes down the drain, and you lose that, and it's a lot harder to kind of establish this sort of emotional connection with your brand. With the clients.
Yeah, it takes a lot of effort, money up front to create this. It does take a lot of thinking, planning out, but it's worth it because you have something a lot more solid and long term that you can build off of. And I know that personally because I had drop shipping stores, and I have
you had pretty good results with drop shipping, right?
Yeah, I did, and I'm getting even better results with this because I combined both of them into one thing. For me, I like to create stuff, I like to build stuff, so I enjoy doing it, right? The other very big thing about this is, for example, for drop shipping, you don't have the customer returning usually if it's let's say it's a one product thing. And of course with a brand, it costs more to build, it costs more to advertise, all of that, but you capture a customer, if their experience is good, they're kind of yours. If they have it, if they love their product, they're gonna buy from your store once again. So I'm slowly building that following, and I can use that in a much more long-term type of way than I would with drop shipping, because with drop shipping I'd focus on my ads. They better make me a profit, and if they don't, I can't run that product.
You're always going to be spending money essentially if you don't build up a following, build up, you know, a certain amount of people that will always return to your store to give you money. Okay, if you can't get that, you're going to always have to spend more money just to get new and new customers through the door, rather than, you know, building up an email list and being able to like drop new products and have, you know, an excited fan base that are like, oh shit, this is dope, I want to buy it. So it's super important. And like, so there's basically 3 pillars that go into sort of branding, dropshipping, e-commerce in general, right? You have your website, your product, and your marketing. Now, the reason why I stress content so much is that it's like that glue between all 3. You need content in every single aspect of this. You need good content for your product, for the product images, stylized photos, whatever that is. You need good content on your website, and you need good content on your marketing, your ad creatives, everything like that. That's why I'm wearing all black, to fit with the car, to film content for this, for his brand. So there's a reason for all of this, and why I stress that you need custom content on all avenues, even your emails, guys. Like for email marketing, imagine you spend all this time curating a good Instagram feed, curating, you know, good website content, exactly. And you're trying to remarket with your Instagram list, but then when you send out emails, it's just text. That's disgusting, and there's no continuity or congruity between that, and that's why, again, like you need custom content in all these little like facets of your business, and that's why we stress it so much, and that's why I'm helping Max out.
Exactly. Mm-hmm. Just to add on to that, you're not selling a product. You're either selling a feeling, a lifestyle, inspiration of some sort that's behind the product. That's what triggers them to buy it, and you control that through content.
I think our boy Matthew just rolled up. We're gonna pause right now because this guy's a little loud. Matthew just got snacks and went to the bank, but we're gonna go to the balcony and see you guys up
Donuts, boys.
All right. All right, guys. So we are up on the balcony now. Basically, I just wanted to introduce, you know, you guys to Max and kind of allow him to kind of go a bit in depth on, you know, his sort of branding journey, transitioning from dropshipping to a custom sort of branded store, and how basically, you know, me, my team, Atlas Productions are sort of helping him with that content and stuff like that. But I'm gonna have Max's brand actually linked down below if you guys
if you guys want to follow along.
Yeah, because I know not everything's rolled out, right?
No, it's still a work in progress.
Okay.
Thing.
But yeah, guys, if you really want to follow along and sort of like, you'll be able to see some of the content that we've made for Max and his brand in these next few weeks. But yeah, you'll be able to see some of the content rolling out under his brand in these next few weeks, guys. You'll be able to sort of follow along on his journey and see kind of, you know, how he's building up this brand from scratch, and, you know, having it be, having started from a dropshipping store
to a full brand. The other thing is, who knows if this is gonna work or not, but I am working on it, and so far it is. And that's not the only thing that I'm gonna be building like this. I have a bunch of other ideas, and they kind of went from dropshipping now to full-on brands. I have a few things planned out, and they're kind of brand based. They take a little longer, but I'm really excited. And for me, results wise, it's worth it, and for you guys it would be worth it also.
Awesome. Yeah, guys, if you want help with content, if you need a custom brand built, link is down below in the description. So is his store, so you guys can follow along and see that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to comment, drop a like, and subscribe. Shit, yeah, that was fun.
Peace.
See you guys.
Tell y'all. Some cocaine.
Did you see the camera behind the camera? Like, you know, your website, your marketing. I knew the third one. I just forgot the third one just now. Fuck. Website, marketing. Oh shit. What's the third one? Content. I'm just spacing. Well, content plays into all of it though.
Website, marketing, development.
No, there actually is a third one. Oh my god.
Branding?
No. Like there's 3 sections of the business. Like you have your website, your marketing,
Social media.
Product.
No, 'cause that isn't a market. Yeah, product. That's what it is. Product. I was completely spaced.